Bitcoin is crashing again. Surprise, surprise. What the heck is going on this time? Well, in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down the charts, diving into the technicals, looking at the news and the stories that are shaking the market today, as well as some good news at the end of the video about California, as well as our progress towards the next Bitcoin halving. So make sure to stick around until the end of the video to get all of the goods. I'm Lark. I make new videos basically every day talking about cryptocurrency investing. If you like that topic, then a little thumbs up to let me know. That would be super freaking awesome. By the way, every single week my team and I make Wealth Mastery. It's a cryptocurrency investor report, massive value. It's a great product. We talk about everything in the cryptocurrency market, finding opportunities to beat the market and find some damn gains in this otherwise lackluster market. And you can sign up for free if you use the link down below in the description. Now, let's take a quick look at the charts here. Oh, Bitcoin. Good night, sweet prince. So this is our little trend line we've been watching here for quite some time. We have lost that. Not super surprised. Would have loved to have seen it hold optimistically, right? Just do it, man. Just hold it. Nope, we're down. We're down. We lost that. Now, of course, we can at least say, well, okay, it's a higher low technically still. We got that to hold on to for the moment, right? Well, hopefully. Bitcoin still trending well below every relevant moving average. This is the purple line here is the 21-day exponential moving average. Massive, brutal rejection off of that. 50-day moving average here in blue. Not even close. Thousands of dollars away, all the way up here at $42,000. The MACD still in a bearish situation, as you can see right here. Right, we're still in under a bearish scenario. We did have the tiniest little blip here. It looked like, oh, maybe there's some kind of recovery coming in. Is there hope? No. The market punched us in the face again. There is no hope right now. Hope is gone in this market, man. Just pain. Suffering. Oh, no. Seriously, though. Okay, seriously. Come on, Lark. Come on. I'd be really nice to see, really happy to see, it'd be really nice to see a reversal here, but you got to keep it real. We could still see the MACD come down quite a bit before we start seeing a reversal. Definitely be keeping an eye on that. Remember, I was talking back here when we had this crossover, this bearish crossover for the MACD. I said, well, you know, historically, when we get these crosses, it is bad news bears for Bitcoin, which is, well, exactly what the heck happened. This cross happened all the way back at, wow, $46,000. You guys remember those times? $46,000. Those were the days, weren't they? Those were good times. I miss those times. Anyway, a lot of people still talking about Bitcoin going all the way down, of course, to $28,000, which would be a retest of the lows of last year. Shall see, of course, if that ends up playing out. If that does, that takes out all this stuff right here, making that the new low, right? We don't have higher lows anymore. It will be a dramatically lower low in that situation. Now, I do have buy orders in right now at $35,000, which just missed today. So it went down on Binance to $35,571, and I did not get my buy order filled. $571 away. Next time. Also have buy orders in at $31,000 for Bitcoin. And yes, if we ever do get down to $28,000, I will put more money in. I will even take some money out of some of my farms, right? Take it out of Convex Finance or take it out of the Anchor protocol and dump it into Bitcoin. Some of it anyway, maybe not all of it, but definitely some of it. I'd gobble up some tasty sats down in those areas. Now, what has got the market so gosh darn spooked today? Well, the Bank of England comes out basically saying that they are expecting inflation in the UK to reach 10% by the end of the year, which obviously spooked markets. They also raised interest rates in the UK. So they're raising interest rates. They're also thinking that it's not going to make a big difference. Inflation will continue higher until the end of the year. It's happening all over the place, guys. Inflation absolutely out of control. 10% in the UK. Ouch. 8.5% In the USA, we should get the numbers for April here pretty soon. Not good. Not good. I saw some statistics for Turkey the other day. 69.9% inflation over the last year. Can you imagine the pain? If you're from Turkey, man, ouch, ouch, ouch. I feel for you, man. That's just, I can't imagine. I can't imagine. 70% inflation in a year. In a year. That's your wealth just gone. Gone, man. Just destroyed. May as well throw your money in the fricking dumpster and light it on fire. And people are still out here saying, oh, Bitcoin is not a good investment. Get out of here. Get out of here with that rubbish, man. Look year over year what is happening. Fiat keeps going down, 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 down. Bitcoin keeps going up, 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 up over time, right? There's obviously a lot of volatility involved in that process, but man, I sure feel good holding a nice big stack of Bitcoin. Wall Street as well, getting hammered today, so it's unsurprising to see Bitcoin getting hammered. We know about the heavy correlation right now between Bitcoin and the equity markets. The Dow plunges 1,000 points, NASDAQ down 5% today. Bitcoin getting hammered. Surprise, surprise. No, there's no surprises there. It's exactly the case that we've been seeing recently. And the crazy thing is the equity data coming out is just grim beyond belief. Like it's, one of the worst starts to a year in like 80 years or something like that. We are reaching all kinds of just metrics that are like near historical metrics or metrics that we haven't seen since, the last great crashes. Things are afoot in the equity markets, and they're not good things. They're monsters are running around in the equity markets, and the pain is not over yet, right? We still have lots of uncertainty. We still have lots of fear. We still have lots of unwinding to do with supply chain crises and the war in Ukraine and the oil embargo that's going to be put on Russia and all this stuff, right? Still out there weighing very, very heavily on the markets. So until we start resolving some of this stuff and still inflation starts coming down, look, the UK is saying it's going up for the rest of the year. The UK is saying it's going to go up 10% by the end of the year. The Federal Reserve, they are so optimistic. We're going to get inflation down. Let's see the proof, man. Let's see the proof, because my guess is that the April numbers are going to come out and we're going to have higher inflation once again. Of course, we'll see when it comes out. Maybe it won't be as bad as the market is perhaps anticipating. Bitcoin futures markets also saw a massive 24 hours following the federal rate hikes. 26,500 Bitcoin of open interest was added to the market during yesterday's rally, but during the sell-off, almost all of that, 25,000 Bitcoin worth, was closed out. That's just the market just bitch slapping traders. Absolutely crazy, crazy stuff there. Now let's get on some good news, finish up the video with real quick. The Luna Foundation, they bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin over the last few days. Also interesting to look at the timing. As soon as they stop buying, the market tanks. They were holding up the market with that $1.5 billion of buying pressure. The Luna Foundation now has around $3.2 billion, I think, worth of Bitcoin, or a little over 70,000 Bitcoin. Maybe actually close to 80,000 Bitcoin, I think. Crazy stuff. They're now the second biggest corporate holder of Bitcoin behind MicroStrategy, now ahead of Tesla and others. So crazy stuff, man. Crazy stuff. I think this is going to be one of those plays that in the long run is going to work out so incredibly well. Like this, buying all this Bitcoin now, genius move. Absolutely genius move. Fast forward 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 years down the line, in which most investors can't even think past what's going to happen tomorrow. Zoom out, look at the big picture. That's what the guys at Luna are doing. They know Bitcoin's going to go way higher than it is right now. Just be patient. Good news as well, Bitcoin is now officially more than halfway to the next Bitcoin halving. We also set a new hash rate record, meaning that Bitcoin is now more secure than it has ever been before. Only 2 years to go until the next Bitcoin halving, guys. Seems like just yesterday the last one happened, which makes you realize just how fast everything moves in these markets. we will be back to new highs before you even know it. And we may have to go through some more trials and tribulations and pain before that happens. But new highs will come in the market. They always do. They always do. We will see them again for Bitcoin. Look for the next Bitcoin halving, if nothing else. If we don't get any relief sooner than that, well, you know, at least we got the Bitcoin halving to look forward to, right? Also, just real quick, big news out of California. California's governor has signed an executive order on blockchain, basically to encourage more cryptocurrency innovation in California, to find ways for California to actually adopt different forms of crypto technology as well. So that's cool. You got to remember, California is very impactful as an ecosystem, as an economy, because it's got a higher GDP than all these countries right here. If just California was an economy, it's one of the biggest ones in the world. It's like a top 6 or top 5 economy in the world. Just it alone, which is craziness, man. Absolute craziness. So seeing California take a very positive stance towards crypto, trying to encourage more crypto, trying to welcome crypto businesses into the state, smart move. I like it. Hopefully it pays out dividends for them. Anyway, just my 2 Satoshis for today. Another day, another crash, more market correlation. What are you going to do? I'm just going to keep stacking sats personally. That's why I got buy orders in. If the price goes down, well, I'm going to buy some more Bitcoin. Anyway, you let me know what you think about all this down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.